Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Artnik Dots, where we create short stories of art which are simple but beautiful, just perfect for art enthusiasts. So today's story is how to draw an early bird. For this, first I have used pencil and I have already marked the outlines of a bird sitting on a branch full of flowers. I'm using light brown watercolor to outline body of the bird and I'm filling the main body with the same color. I want to tell you all that I'm not painting a very realistic bird here. I'm just drawing a very simple picture which makes me happy, and I'm making this bird full of colors because I think adding color to anything gives out a more beautiful result in the end. I always like to roughly mark everything with the pencil so that I can get the idea of the picture later on while adding colors to it. In the middle section I have used orange color, and for the feather area I'm using bright red color. We are not going in detail at this point because we are just adding the basic colors to different parts of the body. We can add those extra details later on. I have used dark brown color for the beak and the area surrounding the eye, for which I have kept an empty space in the middle. Now with white ink pen, I'm marking the details on tail, feathers and the whole body. I'm just drawing U-shaped marks with white ink pen on red space so that they look like small feathers on the body of bird, and I'm adding tiny lines on the entire body for extra textured look. We have just finished painting our early bird. Now we'll be painting the branches, flowers and everything else. With dark brown watercolor, I'm drawing the branch on which the bird is sitting, and I'm also adding few small branches to the main branch. My last video was based on nature, and as you can see, this video is also based on nature. Because whenever I want to paint something and I have no idea what to paint, then flowers, birds, trees, basically things related to nature come to my mind first, and I start to paint them on my sketchbook. By doing so, I get a feeling of decluttering my mind and I can focus on things in a better way. On the edges of these small branches, I'm making bright red colored berries. Now for the berries, I'm coloring the whole circle with red color, but I'll be leaving a small dot on the upper left side of this circle so that it can give a picture of light reflecting from the shiny surface of berries. I'm also adding small light green colored leaves to this branch. In the background, I wanted to add more plants, so I drew different types of leaves and I painted them in dark green shade so that these leaves can look like that they are behind the main branch. Now for the blank space on the right, I started drawing star-shaped flowers and I painted them with blue color. I'm also adding more flowers and leaves to this plant so as to fill the blank space, and also it will add a contrast effect to the picture. Drawing and painting things on paper is something which makes me happy, and we don't have to be a fine arts painter to draw something, and neither we have to complete an art assignment for someone. We are just painting for ourselves and we are just drawing whatever gives a peaceful feeling. I drew more flowers in empty spaces for making the painting more colorful, just like our early bird. I always try to use more colors in my paintings because I just love everything colorful. Now it's time for my favorite part, which is adding details to the painting. I love doing detailing, and for marking the outlines of flowers and leaves, I'm using white ink pen. For some extra detailing and for making the painting more interesting, I'm adding a line of dots around everything. I'm using blue, green, yellow and red sparkle pens for making a series of dots. It's totally optional, we can leave the painting as it is, but I found it very relaxing to make the line of dots along the outline of every flower and leaf. In the end, I'm adding different colors of dots in the blank background so that it can give a look of sparkly mist to the picture. That's it, our early bird is ready. I want to thank to all those people who have appreciated my last video and have supported my art. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel Artnik Dots and hit that bell icon for future videos. Thank you. Bye.